Hello guys, this is Arnish Mari and welcome to my new YouTube channel, and this is the most random thing I've decided to start, and this is going to be my first vlog ever. So it's not going to be like proper vlog. I'm going to take some bites from my girls, from Miss Universe India contestants, and just keep on watching, and I hope you guys will shower some love and yeah, like, share, subscribe to our videos. So you guys will get to see all the insights and how girls are doing here in MUI for Miss Universe India. So yeah, and stay tuned in my channel. So yeah. So I'm gonna catch up with all the girls here. Everyone is busy recording their contents. Hi girls.
Hello.
How are you all?
Amazing.
So tell me about your outfit, Kezia.
So I'm
It
wearing
looks stunning.
Vishal Luthra and I absolutely love it. And it's very close to home, especially this neck piece, because I am from Kerala and elephants are a huge part of our culture. So that is something I aspire to do with every single one of my outfits. You guys will see.
Nice, lovely. Tell me about you, Anushri.
Hi, I am wearing GL Garlet, and this basically is an inspiration of the colors of the Indian flag. So
Oh, wow.
I started with orange, I'm on green, and tomorrow's white. Stay tuned.
Oh, you get a, what do you say? क्या बोलते हैं? Spoiler already. What about you, Sanwaka? How are you?
I'm Sanwaka and I'm wearing butterflies, clothing and accessories.
Nice,
So I wanted
lovely.
to look very elegant and yet chic at the same time. So here I am wearing it.
You look very pretty.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Pramiti. How are you?
I'm very well.
So what about your outfit? Tell us. It's
today-
very unique, very much.
It is, and that was the idea behind it. I really wanted to wear something different this time because this was our first red carpet. And so I asked my designer, and Jigyasa is such a good friend, so she understood the assignment thoroughly. I am wearing a corset with a skirt that is huge, and stay tuned for the other looks. Thank
Nice, lovely. So how was your experience, girls, today in Mrs. India?
Amazing.
Everyone.
We got a little bit of an insight as to what our finale would be. And the stage made us feel exactly as well. Like the music, everyone in the pageant is almost.
And I think
We're there.
the contestants were very smart.
Oh, very much.
Yes,
Very.
yeah,
The way that they answered, the way they presented themselves.
Yes, so you guys have some work to do. Till finale. Thank you, girls. You all look very pretty. Lovely, lovely. Lekhna here. What are you doing? It's a YouTube channel, and you have to give a bio.
You finally opened a YouTube channel.
Yes, it's just a random. I decided to open the YouTube channel, and then I just started recording the girls.
I have to tell you, do you know how much of my confidence is increased because I went to Beauty High and trained from you?
That's very
I feel
sweet
I
of
have
you.
like a massive transformation.
Actually,
right now.
if you see her from last year and
not.
this year, no, but it's commendable, no? Like we have to appreciate that. Like I mean, the
And you
amount of
witnessed me
training
coming.
and everything. So yeah. So how is your experience today in Mrs. India?
I think day one has been amazing. We saw like such amazing, empowering women. It was so beautiful and really good to watch. I'm just going to head back and watch the
Yes.
talent
Okay.
round.
So before we end this, let me know about your outfit.
I'm wearing top to down Megha Kapoor. My hair is and my makeup is done from the Miss Universe stage.
Okay. Nice. Lovely. Thank you, Lekhna.
See you.
Here we have Anubha. What's up? Give a bite for my channel. Come on.
Anish sir,
How are you
love you
doing?
guys, love you, and
Uh,
thank you for supporting me and Anish sir as well.
And
I love him. I love you all.
And yes, we definitely love her. And tell us about your outfit.
So this is a custom outfit. It is made by me only.
Oh,
Yes,
very
this-
interesting.
this necklace I made. It was a handmade necklace.
It's actually very pretty.
And-
I love it.
This fabric I got it from Gujarati Lane because I wanted to wear something from the Gujarat. I don't know why, even though I am in Jaipur right now. And this tail, I got it stitched from Tailor Master. I wanted to do something like Rachel, so I have this in my hair.
Okay. Rachel inspiration. Thank you, Anubha.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
Look at our girls. How they support each other. Oh God. Hi Sneha. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I am doing great. You guys are looking so glammed up.
Thank you so much. Look who we learned from. Obviously, we have to clap.
Okay, so tell us about your outfit.
Okay, so I got it from Niharika by Noor, and I love the outfit, the way it makes me feel like a mermaid.
Yes, definitely you look like a mermaid. So are you enjoying tonight?
Yes, I love all the performances happen tonight, and Mrs. India happened tonight, and wow.
Are you happy with the winner?
Yes, absolutely. I love when women on stage come and then they show us that we can be anything.
Amazing. Thank you, Sneha.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Hi, girls.
Hello.
How are you all?
All well.
What's going on today?
Today is Mrs. India and Miss Teen Divas competitions. So it's going.
So you guys are here at red carpet. Show us what you're wearing.
Well, I'm wearing a beautiful emerald green gown and it has a beautiful slit. I think because I'm tall, it just enhances all of those features. But I'm really happy how it's looking tonight. And I'm
Ooh, you guys look gorgeous.
Mine though is very different, so that's why I really like it, because you know you can't see my slit, you can't see my legs, but at the same
But
time
it's giving something.
it's giving something. Like I love the way it's looking, you know.
Okay, our South girls.
Yes!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Next we have from West Bengal, Roshni, and also we have Fasiha. Hi. Hello. I'm good. I'm good. So how is your experience going on right now? It's the first day today, right?
Yeah, we are so excited and we had so much of fun inside. We watched the Mrs. pageant. Yeah. And also the teen pageant, the national costume. The teens were great. They were amazing.
Lovely.
You know what? This makeup is taught by the one and only Anu.
Oh.
I'm so glad I could recreate
That's very
this
sweet of you,
look.
but yeah,
And I'm
you did
so
great.
honored that I got that opportunity to learn from him.
Hi. We have here Shrishti as well. Come here. Come here. Be in the frame now. Yes. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I love it here.
Okay. So, how was your experience with Mrs. India finale
It
today?
was great. This is actually my first time sitting in an audience for a pageant. And it was a different perspective.
And also, did you get to learn something?
Yes, I did.
Okay,
I
great.
kind of understood what audience point of view is and how you can perform better.
And I think they were really great in Q&A, right?
Yes, they were. They
Yeah.
did so well.
So much
and
of-
I saw the winner's family. I even have that recording. They were so cute.
Nice, lovely. Thank you, Shrishti. Hi, we have Miss Universe Sikkim here. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Anything you want to say for your people?
I just want to say, I hope that we all girls will make our state proud. We are going to give our best. Keep supporting, and we'll hope to make you proud. Really
Nice, thank you. Hi, Anshula. She is from Assam and she got through in wildcard. So, how are you doing, Anshula?
I'm doing great.
So, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing this finale.
Yeah, I really love it. It's very pretty. So, how was your experience today?
It was really amazing. We got to learn a lot. Q&A was amazing.
Nice, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Chandrima. How are you?
I'm great.
And how was your experience today in Mrs. India?
Amazing. It was amazing. And it was the first time for me walking this red carpet of Miss Universe India.
Okay.
And it was a superb experience.
And also, tell me about your outfit today.
So this outfit, I have bought it myself. I have tried out so many outfits and I have chosen this outfit for this red carpet.
Okay, it looks very pretty. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Girls, go there and show me the walk. From there. Go. Jao, Sanoka. Go there. Sab log. Go, quick. Show me the walk. Yes, together also. And walk. It's
You should get that on camera. I'm so confused. Yeah, what just happened?
जाओ उधर से जाओ.
मैं कौन?
सब लोग जाओ. Go everyone. Go. Give me.
Thank you, sir.
You guys can come from there, only stand and one by one, huh? हाँ उधर से walk कीजिए walk Nice. Who's coming next? Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Nice. Nice.
He's like a proud father.
Nice. Ooh, lovely. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा इधर. Hi, we have Miss Universe Nagaland here. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
And what are we here for today?
We are here to attend an event. We have Mrs. India Grand Finale, and right now there is a talent round going for Miss Diva. So I'm going to head in and watch that.
Okay, so what's your outfit inspiration today?
So my outfit
It's
is
something very
I
unique.
wanted to have something regal, but very elegant, classic, comfortable, and at the same time something that is me. So I am a little tomboyish, but I can be elegant.
Yeah.
I can be stylish. So yeah, that is the energy we are going for.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You guys look so hungry. I mean, what is that?
Sneak peek.
You finished already.
Girl gets hungry.
You're gonna do advertisement for that.
She looks like a bottle.
Oh God.
Machi machi. मेरे को तो
Which makhana? Okay. She's in her own world. You guys think they died? No, they don't died. I don't think so. They died.
We do. That's my burger. That's my burger. 100% protein, no carbs, no sugar, no nothing. 0 calorie, nothing.
These girls don't died. Vali, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
So, what do you want to say for your fans?
I want to say that I love you all, and I'm so grateful for your love and support.
You look stunning, actually. To be very honest, very nice. I love the makeup. You did by your own? Yeah, your makeup. Okay, nice. Look at them. Look at them. Nice. So they are here. Hi, girls. How are you both?
We are amazing.
And you guys look actually very stunning. It's your day one, right?
Yes.
Oh my God.
And we are here at the red carpet of Mrs. India
Hmm.
and Miss Teen Diva, national
Yes.
costume round and the talent.
Nice.
Hi,
So
so-
Tejasvi, tell me about your outfit.
So this is inspired by the infinite possibility that shows ocean to us.
Oh wow.
And this is designed by Nihal Thakur, a very talented designer from Nagpur. And I'm so proud to wear his garment because I really wanted every single Indian artisan to get the recognition they deserve.
Lovely. And also, how was your experience today? And it's your day one as well, right?
It was good. It was very exciting, and everything gonna be on Instagram very soon.
Okay. Thank you, Tejaswini.
Thank you.
Lovely meeting you.
Likewise.
What about your outfit, Shrita?
So my outfit is from Pristine Luxury. Just like its color, silver, I feel like it's giving me the universe vibe totally.
Okay.
Like shining like a star. I'm wearing this, I'm already feeling like a star and a diamond. I just love this outfit and I'm so glad to wear it.
And also, we are waiting for your wardrobes for all the days of Miss Universe India. Thank you, girls.
Thank you. Bye.
Nice. Hi, Umanga. How are you? It's my blog. Say hi to our new fans, I think.
Hi, fans of Funny.
No.
He's looking
It's-
amazing today as always.
Thank you so much. You are looking stunning, no doubt. Okay, So how was your experience today?
Very nice.
And it's day one, right?
Yeah, it's day one. It was
And
amazing.
you're slaying already, I think. So what's your outfit inspiration today?
What's your?
Outfit inspiration today?
It's pink. I just love the color on you. So it's pink glam.
And I think this color is going really well on you.
Yeah, I think so.
I love the makeup, the hair, everything is
I did
going
my
really
makeup. How's it?
Oh wow. It's actually very nice. Nice.
By Anista.
Oh god. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Anshika.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
How was your experience today? It's day one, right?
Yeah, it's day one, and today we had just finished our Mrs. India pageant, also Miss Teen Diva, talent round plus national costume. It was really fun. Like they gave us the top competition, guys. Like teen girls gave the top competition, so it was really exciting.
Are you happy with the winners of Mrs. India?
Yeah, I'm totally happy with the winner. I expected so, like Akansha Chaudhary, Anshika Chaudhary, like why
Yes,
match, but she's good.
She had actually very strong
Yeah,
communication
she
and
is
you know
good,
the
yeah.
Q&A.
Like, when she came on stage, it was like wow.
Okay,
I
so
liked
tell
that.
me about you. What are you wearing today?
So I thought initially I would wear a sari, but then someone suggested you should go with some golden and all that stuff.
You
So I'm
absolutely
wearing-
look gorgeous.
Thank you so
It's
much.
amazing.
You too, Anish.
Thank you so
You too always
much.
look gorgeous.
Thank
I'll
you.
have to give you tough competition.
That's very sweet of you, but you are looking very stunning,
Thank
honestly.
you so much.
Thank you. We never stop, guys. You're visible here. हाँ, मैं तुम लोग का तब से ऐसे ही ले रहा हूँ. Lightning is खराब, but she's pretty. We know that. देख लो, इधर से देख लो.
We didn't say that.
Who said that?
Oh my God.
Not me, not me.
Hi, Mandan. How are you? Say hi to my, vlog viewers.
Like, subscribe.
We don't know if we'll get views or not because it's our first vlog. So let's see.
We'll get views.
No, she's there in the video.
Yeah. Yes, Mandan is here, so we'll get the views.
Chalo, come on, guys. Chalo. We need the bus to be back.
So I'm finishing the vlog today. And I'll see you guys again with more content about MUI and with our girls and other girls as well, you know? So I'll see you guys and keep on watching and subscribe and do share, right? So here is the bus for our girls. Hi, Hashita. Hi. The lighting is really bad. Satyaki, here is our stylist. Say hi to my blog.
Hi.
Do like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, and if you don't, bad luck will follow you for 10 years.
Yes,
So make
they
sure-
will.
They will. They
For
have
our
to.
girls, yes.
Yeah, make us proud.
Yes.
Let's fight the family community together.
Woo,
Let's
nice.
India.
Say like, share, subscribe.
Hi, tell us something quickly about your outfit.
Say hi to my blog. So,
So honored, such a privilege to be in Arni's vlog.
nothing later, huh?
It is.
Chalo, let's go. Hi, Simar.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
I did not get a chance to record you in red carpet, no?
Yeah.
But you were looking stunning, of course. We met, but we did not record. But yeah, tell me about your outfit inspiration today.
My outfit inspiration, I wanted to wear something Indian, but at the same time classy, so that it matches everyone's vibe. That is gown.
Yes, I love it. I love this outfit. And are you
really
excited
complimented
for
me.
tomorrow?
Yes, I'm super excited for tomorrow because it's a sashing ceremony and will be officially sashed as Miss Universe India contestant.
Yes, as an official finalist, right?
Yes.
And also, tell me about some sneak peek about your tomorrow's outfit, maybe?
I have no idea about my outfit actually.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
It's
Oh.
a secret for me as well.
Just like.
No, it's a secret for me as well.
So we have Poonam here, Miss Universe.
Orissa.
Orissa, right? Okay. So how are you doing?
I'm doing great. It's, I don't know what the time is.
Yes.
We have lots of tactics.
Yes, I did not see you there in the red carpet when I was recording, so I'm gonna record you now, right? So how was your outfit today?
It's all
Like it?
shimmery, white.
Any inspiration?
Sorry?
Any inspiration of this outfit?
I want to keep it playful and nice because it's the first day and our first look, so I wanted to feel
a little glam.
Okay. So are you excited for tomorrow?
Yes, very excited.
And for that you need to sleep, right?
Yes.
So you have to slay tomorrow. Okay. All the best for your
Thank
competition.
you so much. Bye bye. Good night.